We returned to Antarctica in 2024. Starting again in Ushuaia, Argentina, we sailed east to the Malvinas or Falkland Islands. From there we continued another 800 miles east to South Georgia Island. This island had more wildlife than we've ever seen in any one place. We understood why it's also known as the Serengeti of the Antarctic. We then turned south to the beauties and wildlife of Antarctica before returning back to Argentina. It was amazing. Enjoy each episode.
Yeah.
Here we are at Portal Point.
Yay. Thanks. What happened? That's why I'm here. There.
Say hi.
Hi.
Let's go make a snowman.
Yay.
Hello. Okay, where are you all from?
Malaysia.
Malaysia. Wow, bagus sekali. Here we are. We're on the continent.
Yay! Antarctica. Yay. Look at the footprints are even blue.
Yeah.
I'm just doing one too. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Okay. No. Oh. Wait, because
One more time.
Okay.
All right, yay. Here's a pair of little seals and a bird.
A cormorant, maybe. Hi. Oh, he went right in. All the way down to his knee.
And he's in upper pads and it's still soft spot. Right
Yeah.
Hello. We're on the Penguin Highway.
Ready? Sure. Here we go. Woohoo! Here we are on the Antarctic Peninsula. We got some idiots in the snow. All right. Come on, sit up.
Thank you very much. Hello.
I'm going to say beautiful summer day in Antarctica.
Come closer.
That way I can hit him.
Woo-hoo. Okay, now do another one and hit the GoPro with it. That'd be good.
Ready?
Yeah. Try again. This was a bad idea with me holding the GoPro.
Oh, look, there'll be a little snowman. Here we are with Mr. Snowman on the continent of Antarctica. Okay, that's good. Good?
Well, yep.
What's your fiendish plot?
We're going to bombard Arches and Rockfrushka. Find them first.
Oh, yeah. Oh, good hand. More steps.
More time for this.
I missed. Okay, wait, I have to do it. It's my goal in life.
Keep moving downhill. Go ahead.
You don't say ready, you ambush.
I'll make myself big.
Wait, Lexi, she thinks she's safe in front of you.
Hi, my friend. How are you doing?
Where did you learn that trick?
Well, Norwegians, we know snow tricks.
That's great, Hedda. going now, man? I'm gonna get a video of that.
Handed continental jet penguins, the right-handed continental jet penguins. You will get South Georgia sent to, over sent to.
Yay! Woo!
Let's go!
I would just keep singing. Yeah, just fall right over. That would be my end. Okay.
Alright. Yeah, I'll give you a countdown.
Where are you going?
3,
Oh, yeah.
2, 1, go! Alright guys, I'll give you a countdown. Big jump looking at Luis. Yes, yes. 3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, sweetie pie! Come on, sweetie pie!
Good job, Chris.
Nanny's waiting for you, darling. Sweetie, you want to dive or jump?
I'm not diving, are you
Oh, come on. You can do it.
I want to do this again.
You can do it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Up here.
We're ready.
Go back, go back. Woo! So cold. I can always encourage, right?
Yeah, we just we don't have the rope lucky yet.
Oh, that's okay. Woo!
Look up here. Yeah.
You guys are jumping together?
He's ready. He's making everything go.
Woo!